They were recording at the fair, right?
I just shook the brother door.
Okay. Because I want to make put this on my YouTube. So I'm a famous YouTuber. Okay. I don't know if you remember Pie Stoker James.
Nope.
Okay. You probably won't know me then. Actually, I transformed into Team Blue Blizzards, and this is my Effies. I'm coming out here. There's nothing wrong with here. There's no loud sounds out here.
Look at that race car. Mm-hmm. There's race. Yeah, there's
official recording.
Oh my God.
And people, we have made it. It's the entrance to the Armada Fair. Thank you, kind sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right, move it.
Okay. Oh, sorry, Cristiano.
Hey.
Yeah. Yes, John Paul. You having fun here?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
How about you, little man? You having fun here too?
Yeah. Hey,
good.
Look at those race cars.
Yeah, we're gonna get an instrument today, aren't we, guys?
Yeah, look at the fair. You want it?
I think we need tickets. You need tickets?
Do you have tickets?
We gotta wait. Well, is this to get in?
Yes, you need tickets to get in.
Oh, we have to wait for my sister to over there.
Okay.
Waiting. Come on, we need tickets. Alright, is this supposed to rain today? Is this supposed to rain today?
I think they said 20%, so...
That's not too bad.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, I actually walked around in the rain a little bit. It wasn't too bad. Hey, do you guys sell pet rocks here?
No, that's just so our stuff doesn't blow away.
That'd be a great pet rock though, don't they? I actually have a pet rock at home I caught. I picked up for rocks, yeah. I'm basically just a rock collector.
Can I get them?
Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Can I help you?
I'm blabbing on my pet rocks. Here's my sis. You can't go in the car.
Oh, hold on, guys. Let me figure this out.
Okay. Oh, that's a good idea.
Oh, this is okay.
No hoverboards. Ooh. Oh, the kids get them free?
Yeah.
I bet.
Okay. Hi.
Oh,
I just paid for these two. He's 3 and 6, right?
And 60.
These 8 and under are free. Right. So do you need just 2 adults? Okay. So that's 16.
Hey, this.
Guess the guy would have to say smash the what?
James.
Thank you.
Smash the like button if you guys like pigs. And they're made of fair. On 45th annual made of fair.
Let's go.
Have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Let's go. Okay, guys.
We're live streaming, don't mind us. We're just having fun. Just trying to record. Hi, everybody.
Oh,
Do you guys need a stamp?
do I need a stamp?
It's to get in and out.
Oh,
Yeah.
we'll just come. Oh.
I want a stamp. Hey! No.
I think they just want to.
I've been stamped! Oh no!
Most of the kids
Okay, look at the rain.
Arts and crafts. Hey, you can't get in,
No
Cristiano.
touching, right? Let me tell Baba we're here.
Yeah. She's gonna. Oh, sorry. Message bye-bye. Let her know that we're here. You got your piggies too?
Oh,
No touching, guys.
You guys can't touch. No touching, Cristiano.
You can just look.
We got some cool cars here. Look at all these cool cars. Oh, Devon's a cool car too.
Yo, this is guys, kids. Check this out. This is a nice race car. Okay, guys. I used to have.
Our little mini vacation.
Yes, and the next
your
one
necklace.
we have is this one.
The necklace is all falling and messed up.
The big
You wanna
one
fix
on
it?
the front.
Yeah, I love the yellow
You
one.
guys used my phone all morning. I can't take pictures.
Well, I can. I still can.
Is yours full?
Yeah, mine's at 67.
I'm letting you know.
I'm actually recording, Devon, so it's not even better.
12%. So call James' phone if you need us.
Yeah, I'm actually, I'm at 67, maybe 68, and I'm actually recording. So
Save it.
I am. I'm just recording little by little. Are these instruments? No? Oh, excuse me. Oh, look at the little sand bottles. Aren't they cute, fun? Look at the rocks. I get some crystals here, maybe a ring. I remember those. You guys can hematite. I love hematite.
Lindita had those.
Yeah, she sure does, isn't she, little guy? No, we're at the fair officially. Sarah Jones. I promised you, Mommy, I would record this and are perfect.
Guys, what do you want to do first?
I want to see the instruments.
You want to see the animals first?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some fries later, Devon.
Yeah, you want to get some fries?
For sure, little guy, right?
Yeah.
Nice hair.
Thank you, guys.
Hey, buddy. Hey, little guy.
Look.
Where are the animals at?
You want to eat first?
Mom, where are the animals?
We're going first.
No, I
You want to eat?
Ooh, donut factory. Donuts. Homer's favorite. Homer's favorite factory. Alright, Devon? Homer's favorite. French fries and corn dogs. Get your corn dogs. Get your piping hot corn dogs here.
Right there. Right there.
Beetsies. Beetsies. Pig. Roadkill Cafe. Awesome. This is double country for ya. You ain't yet. Yeah, behind the food wagon. Yeah. The best wagon ever, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep. 30 guns. I got a gun.
Mom, look.
A Nerf gun. Yeah. What is it? Hey, I love your jewelry, buddy.
Right.
These are the...
Hey, I wish you were 10. You could have did that, John Paul. If you were 10, you could have did that.
Okay, hold on. This way, this way.
This way?
Where's the animals?
We're getting close.
We just got it.
Oh, horse races! Yay! This way?
Yeah, I don't remember. I only
Oh, I was...
That's exciting. I totally decided. I gotta set myself on fire.
Thanks, come again. Hey, guys. Smash that like button if you go and see these guys again. That'll be a lot of fun. I'm a famous YouTuber. Hey, look at that little guy running towards animals. Hey, little man. Nephews aren't the sweet. Young youth, you love young youth. Pig. I love my pig. Are we even going the right way, guys? You have to start with all those balls, man. I don't like balls. Hit him high. Balls. Oh, you're a goofball. Oh, I heard a bull. Oh, it's a cow. Yay. Hey, at least you know we're part country now. Oh, here's a sheepies. Oh. That's good eating. Goat yoga. Hey, little goat. Smash that like button if you guys like goats, and have a good day. This is for you, James. This is for you. Ah, cow. Hi, cow. Hi, cow, cow, cow.
Well, give that one a piece of your home.
Can I get some carrots?
Yep.
I got your phone. You can take it. Anyway, yeah, there's so many.
See, they don't even want that. They want the cone.
Hey, eat the greens.
Okay, don't put your finger in there. They want this cone. Make sure that you do hold your finger at the very end so they can't get your finger.
That's a good idea.
They don't mean to. You want to go in or no? You want to go in, then you're going to have to give this one up.
You got the little one?
Give him just the whole cone because we can't break it up anymore. Oh, that one was mean. Did you see what he did? He knocked that one out of the way.
Have some.
We'll have to give it.
There you go, buddy. Yeah?
This one knocked this one out of the way when I was trying to give it this little cone. You little stingy one.
You go, wait.
Well, that's it. You can't eat it.
How much can you eat, buddy?
I'm going over here. Hey, Napoleon.
Mommy.
Okay, eat the whole thing. I don't mind. Enjoy. You eat the whole thing. Good boy. You eat the whole thing. You eat the whole thing. Hey, you're a Groot. Hey, Groot. Hey, I'm a Groot.
Okay, so anything else?
So cool. See, that's about we got Groot on film now. And yes, sir, Groot does exist. Groot exists. I mean, it did. Ooh, oh, it smells like you. Say, here's a goat. He's a goat. Here's a goat jump, huh? Say, here you go. Hi, goat. Hey, football goat.
Now put it in your hand flat.
You know who you all mine? You know who you all mine?